Yippee! How cute is this? I'm not sure what. Gimbal endpoints. Just trying to figure this out, man. Come on, babe. I'll wait for you. Come on then. Say hey. Say hey. How cute is this snow? Let's go and see how pretty it looks. Where's Donny? We should bring them some food down in a sec, actually. Where is he? Donny? Don boy? Oh, mate. Oh, mate. Not happy, are you, kids? There you are. Oh. Bring you some stuff in a minute, some food and some hay. Oh man, this is so pretty. Okay, why is that one lying down? Meh. Meh. Come on. My extra kids, these are. Meh. Why is that one lying down? Oh, it's up. Sorry, I'm just trying to get to grips with this. Here she comes. This sheep is a legend. You're an absolute legend, aren't you? In fact, she's so much of a legend that I named my child after her. Hello, Bo. And you shouldn't be in here, should you? Naughty DJ. So all of the other sheep in here are actually girls. So he should not be here. However, he's castrated, so we're all right. Hello, girls. I'm sorting you out your bed today. They need their winter bed now. Inside, in the barn. What's up? You got your stick still? You're funny. So cute, man. Go in, Bo. Have we got to go and clean the seats in Daddy's van? How come? Did you put chalk all over them? Monkey. Oh dear, first fail. Eek. Fucking peacock. Jump in then, dude. You in?
Yeah.
Well done.
I'll get in.
Yeah.
I'll get in.
Where can we put that?
Yeah.
That's not safe, is it?
No.
You hold it.
Okay.
That's it. What? No, where are they from? Let's stick that in there, aren't we, though?
Yeah.
Do you hold it then?
Yeah.
Careful, where we're going. It's lovely and snowy, isn't it? Okay. Going there. Sugar bowl knife and Howard. Pardon? I got that one off. Piggy piggies. Piggy piggies. Right, let's make them a nice bed. I'll get a fork, you kick it about. That's it. Thank you for that. You got one?
Yeah. Yeah, I've got one. I've got one. I've got one.
Thank you.
I've got one.
Thank you. Oh, that was close.
Where's this one? Where's this one? What? I got one. Ah, got it.
You really want to make them a bed
Yeah.
for the you don't want it too soft and then all their feet everywhere. They'll sleep in there, won't they? Yeah? Happy? You go and get them? Pardon? Come on, you. We've got to be quick. We've got to get the others from school yet. God. Ow. Oh my God. Come on. Yeah. Are they coming? Can't actually see you on here. Ow! Because come on. You famous, Shelbs. girls. Mission complete. Just some water and some 3 goat bums. So that's where we've just put them goats. It's actually part of the house, which will be great to look back on in a few years' time when hopefully the barn is eventually built. And there's the goats and the pigs next. There's the goat, look. Let's have a look at her. It's got to be Shelby. Can't open the window. But yeah, where they are is eventually going to be Honey's bedroom actually.